Good morning, children. See, last class we learned about the identities of the real numbers. So today I will start exercise 1.5. All of you open your classworks and note down in your classworks. See, page number 24. The first question is classify the following numbers as rationals or irrationals. See, first one is 2 minus root 5. Say, irrational number is subtracted from a rational number. So, the difference of rational number and an irrational number is always irrational. Now, second one, children, 3 plus root 23 brackets close minus root 23. So, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root 23, root 23 will be cancelled. Then 3 is a rational number. Next one. See, third and fourth are homework for you. Now, fifth one, children, 2 pi. See, we know that pi is a always irrational number. So, irrational number is multiplied by the rational number. The result is always irrational. Now, see, second question. Simplify each of the following expressions. Now, second question, first one. So, 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. See, this comes under the identity. So, a plus root b into c plus root d. So, a is multiplying with c plus root d and root b is multiplying with c plus root d. So, it comes under ac plus a root d plus root bc plus root bd. Now here, so substitute A, B, C, D values in this identity. So first one is 3 is multiplying with 2 plus root 2 and root 3 is multiplying with 2 plus root 2. See, in algebraic expressions also, a binomial is multiplied by another binomial. So 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. So here we cannot add root 2, root 3, 3 root 2 and 2 root 3. So the answer is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Now second one. Three plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So children, if you are observing here, this comes under the property. So identity a plus root b into a minus root b. It comes under a square minus root b square. So square and root will be cancelled. That is a square minus b. Now where a is equal to 3 and b is equal to root 3. So substitute a and b values or h's part of the identity, that is 3 square minus root 3 square. Square and root will be cancelled. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now third one. Root 5 plus root 2 square. Now see children, if you are observing here, this is root a and root b. So the identity is root a plus root b square is equal to square root of a square plus 2 root ab plus root b square. Now square and root will be cancelled, square and root will be cancelled. So a plus 2 root ab plus b. Now substitute a and b values in RHS part of the identity, where a is considered only 5 because square and root are cancelled. Then b is equal to 2. So 5 plus 2 root 5 into 2 plus b is 2. So which is equals to 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 5 2s are 10. Now see children, Fourth question is homework for you. See, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So it comes under root a minus root b into root a plus root b. So root a minus root b into root a plus root b is a minus b identity. So that is homework for you. Now see third question. See what is the third question? Recall that pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C of the circle to its diameter d, that is pi is equal to C by d. This means to contradict the fact that pi is an irrational. How can you resolve this contradiction? See children, here there is no contradiction. See, if we are measuring circumference and diameter by using a scale, we will get the approximate rational values. So it may not realize that circumference and diameter are irrational. So write the reason children. So there is no contradiction. Third question, no contradiction. There is no contradiction if we measure circumference and diameter. Circumference and diameter by using scale will get approximate rational values. Approximate rational values. So it may not realize the circumference and diameter. The circumference and diameter are irrationals. Now see children, fourth question is not there. So construction of the real number on the number line, that was related by CBSE. Now fifth question, rationalize the denominators of the following. So what is the meaning of the rationalization? Why do we need rationalize? So let us take an example. So 1 by root 2. So we know children 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. So how can you simplify this? So if the denominator is a rational number, then we can simplify very easily. What do we do? So we need to do the rationalization of the denominator. Now see, 1 by root 2 is multiplying with numerator and denominator same root 2. So root 2 by root 2 into root 2, root 2 square. Square and root will be cancelled. Root 2 by 2. Now the denominator is a rational number. Then we can easily simplify this expression. See children, I will send homework through